A very good morning. I'm your Subramaniam from Win English. So, in this video, in this class, we will discuss what are the common mistakes people do while learning English and what are the tips you have to follow to overcome all those common errors. Okay, so let us start the class. So, first of all, first and foremost point we should keep in our mind English is a language, it is not a subject. To learn a language, that means whether it is English or Hindi or Marathi or Gujarati, whatever it may be. So, if you want to learn a language, it's all about your attitude. It depends upon your attitude. If your attitude is in a positive way, definitely you will learn English very easily. One more point you have to keep in your mind English is not at all an instant one, either instant coffee or instant tea or instant noodles. Learning is always a regular process from birth to death. Many people want to learn, but few succeeded. What is the reason? Because their dedication, their hard work, their attitude towards that particular thing, these are the main important things which plays a vital role in learning anything. Here, I would like to discuss the main common errors which are done by the learners while learning English. Very first and foremost common error, learning through translation. So whoever want to learn and whatever you want to learn should not translate. You should not learn through translation. For example, for instance, మనము ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నాం, this is a Telugu sentence, and if you want to translate this sentence into English, మనము ఎక్కడికి, where వెళ్తున్నాము, going, we were going, is it right? No, where we are going, this is the correct sentence formation, this is the correct structure. So that's why we should not learn through translation. And the next one, native or local medium background. This is a thought, a main drawback. Many of the students, many of the people, they thought we came from native medium background. We have studied our past education in local medium background, but it is a trash. I'm the best example. I studied my schooling, I have completed my schooling class 1 to class 10, ZP High School in Visakhapatnam district, and intermediate enrolled as a Telugu medium student. Fortunately, my lecturers, they used to teach the classes, all the classes in bilingual method, Telugu and English. So that's why I'll be able to learn English very easily. And in degree, I wrote all my examinations in English medium, and PG, B.Ed, M.Ed, etc. Everything I have completed in English medium. So that if you want to learn language, that depends upon your attitude. It does not depend upon your medium background. The next one, grammar obsession. Simply to say in Telugu, grammar pichi. For example, I don't have the knowledge of grammar. That's why I'm unable to learn English. I don't have stock of vocabulary. That's why I'm unable to learn English. And I don't have proper pronunciation. That's why I'm unable to learn English. These are all trash. At first, if you want to learn English, you should speak, and speak. For example, do you know the grammar of your mother tongue? మీకు తెలుసా? మీరు తెలుగు పీపుల్ అయితే మీకు తెలుగు నాకు బాగా వచ్చు, బట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ద కంప్లీట్ గ్రామర్, ఛందస్సు, అలంకారం, ఎట్సెట్రా. ఫస్ట్ కమ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ థాట్. Grammar secondary. First you should speak. The next one, people who want to learn English, they thought that right from the day one they want to become Mr. Perfect in that particular language. It is impossible. చూడండి, తెలుగులో ఉంటుంది ఒక సామెత, అన్నప్రాసన రోజు ఆవకాయ తినగలమా? Is it possible? No. So day by day, regularly, definitely you'll improve yourself. One fine day, you'll be able to know, you'll be able to speak English fluently. It may take 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, but finally the day will come. On that day, definitely you'll speak fluently. So this is another problem. The next one, don't try to treat English learning as a hard task. Try to treat it as a playful task. ఇష్టమైనది ఏదైనా ఉంటే ఎంత కష్టం వచ్చినా దాన్ని ఈజీగా చేయగలం. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ మ్యాన్ హార్డ్ టాస్క్ అనే మాట తీసిపారండి. ట్రీట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ ప్లేఫుల్ టాస్క్. దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఈజీలీ. ద లాస్ట్ వన్, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు లెర్న్ ఇంగ్లీష్, యూ షుడ్ క్రియేట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఎన్వైర్మెంట్. English language environment. Why? Because మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ రావాలంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మిమ్మల్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి ఒక నలుగురు హిందీ పీపుల్ ఉన్న రూమ్లో పెట్టేస్తే, ఆ రూమ్లో మీరు ఉండాల్సి వస్తే ఏం చేస్తారు? విత్ ఇన్ షార్ట్ పీరియడ్ డెఫినెట్లీ యుల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు లెర్న్. యూ షుడ్ లెర్న్ హిందీ. యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ హిందీ. దే హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ యువర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ to communicate with each other. Understand? So create English environment. That is the main important thing here. Try to speak in English. Try to speak in English with your surroundings. Be in English. Be with English. These are the common mistakes which people do who want to learn English. What is the first one? So learning through translation, local medium, native medium background thought, grammar obsession, want to become a Mr. Perfect right from the day one, treating English as a hard task. I mean learning English as a hard task. And the last one, there is no proper English environment, language environment. So these are the main common errors. If you overcome these errors, these mistakes, definitely you will be able to learn English very easily. So what are the tips we have to follow to overcome all these common errors? So now we will discuss what are the tips we have to follow to overcome all these common errors. So now tip number 1. So whatever you want to learn, you should be curious. You should be curious. So from morning to night before going to bed, bring English into your life. Eat English, sleep English, drink English, etc. Everything should be in English. Then you can learn easily. You'll get curiosity is important. Bring English into your life. So try to collect the words which are required in your day-to-day regular activities. Try to use the words. This is the first tip. And the next one, speak in English with your friends. If you want to call your friends, hi Ra, hi Hari, how are you? Where are you? Will you meet me in the evening? Then I'll wait at the theater. This is the conversation. Hi Ra, ela unnavu em sangatlu? This is not at all fair. This is not at all right to learn English. Try to speak with your friends in English. Speak to your friends. So this is the second thing, second tip. And the next one, change the language of entertainment mode into English. You wanna watch news, TV9 news, maybe YouTube channels, and some more web series, etc. And now change your entertainment mode into English environment. Watch all those movies in English. Watch news in English. Web series English. Then you'll catch that vocabulary. You'll be able to catch the pronunciation, the slang, etc. And don't try to watch the subtitles. This is the way you can develop your language skills. You have to create English environment. Change your entertainment mode into English language. For example, a customer care executive called you, or you want to call a customer care executive. So definitely they will ask you press 1 for English, press 2 for Hindi, press 3 for your native local language. Definitely everyone will go with the third one. They will press 3, but you should not do like that. Press 1. Speak to them in English. Because don't feel shy. You don't know about them. They don't know about you. Try to speak and develop your skills. And the next one, read everything in English. Small story books, humorous novels, if possible, newspapers, etc. You'll get a lot of vocabulary while reading. And the last one, listening to English a lot. While you are doing your workouts, going to somewhere, either in car or in whatever the situation it is, listening to English a lot. It develops language learning skills. So this is another tip. And the last one, self-talk. Yes, talk to yourself, within yourself. It will create a kind of room. It gives a lot of kick. If you watched a movie, just analyze that scenes and situations and describe those situations. In the same manner, if you watched a serial, if you watched a cricket match, just analyze it and talk to yourself in English. You'll be able to learn English very easily. This is another tip. And finally, I would like to tell you one thing, my dear students and whatever you want to do, just to be the best. Just be the best. That means you have to do a lot of hard work. Understand? Practice makes man's perfect. That's why practice well. Do practice. Do practice. Someday, definitely you will be able to learn everything and anything. And the last one, I will say a sentence. Face the fear. Don't try to avoid the fear. If you face the fear, definitely fear will vanish. If you avoid the fear, definitely fear will grow up. So, English language learning is very easy when you follow all the tips. And at the beginning, I had told you there is no need of grammar, no need of pronunciation, no need of vocabulary. But if you want to be a speaker, first you speak, create English environment. And if you want to be a good speaker, fluent speaker, you need grammar, you need pronunciation, you need vocabulary. If you like the class, please share it. Subscribe my channel Win English from Subbu's World. Soon we will meet again with a new grammar topic.